Okay, we're going to get started by setting up the Reminder app once you've installed it from the Chrome Web Store. So before you can start using it, you need to make sure that the native notifications for your browser are enabled. So that means that whenever you set a reminder and the notification goes off, it's actually going to show like that native banner come in. Typically in the top left corner. If you're using Windows, it might be in the bottom right. So we just want to make sure that that's enabled so that you get those banners whenever your reminders go off. Now, whenever you install the extension, the first page you're going to see is this installation instructions, and that's for Windows and Mac. So you just want to decide what operating system you're using and then follow that. For this example, I'm going to show you Mac OS because that's what I'm on. But you can follow along just in these instructions. The main thing to know is that if you start using the extension and you're setting reminders and you're not getting the notification, likelihood is that you haven't enabled them to show for Chrome or the Chrome variant. And that means that if you're using Microsoft Edge, for example, you have to do the same thing. So it depends on the browser, but you have to enable those notifications. So let's jump into the settings here. So I'm just going to show you on Mac what that looks like. So I open up the system settings and I've already searched for notification. You can see here that at least for Chrome, there are two options. There's Google Chrome and then Chrome Helper Alerts. I'm going to enable it for both of these. And I actually already have. So if I click in here, you'll see that I've toggled this on to allow notifications. By default, it might be off. And if it's off, those notifications aren't going to show. So I'm just going to leave it on here. And you can tailor it to what you'd like, but you just have to make sure that it is enabled. And then for the Chrome helper, which is around like alerts, you're going to enable that as well for the same thing. Now, you'll notice that I said for Chrome, if you're using Chrome. So once again, if you're using, say, Microsoft Edge, you want to come into Microsoft Edge settings and do the same thing. And then once you do that, you should be able to receive the notifications for your reminders. So if you have any questions, let me know. If the experience isn't this, right? If you're going through it and this isn't your experience, especially if you're on Mac after I just showed you this, let me know. Just shoot me an email at contact@bestreminderapp.com. Definitely want to help you out here. And hopefully this won't be a hang up to get you started using the extension. And we'll look at how to use the extension in some later videos as well. Thanks.